We have some big news coming in. Supreme Court has granted bail to Bibhav Kumar in the Swati Maliwal assault case. Bibhav Kumar gets bail after nearly 4 months of being behind bars. The Supreme Court imposes conditions for Bibhav's bail. Petitioner can't be associated with the office of the Chief Minister of Delhi. This is a big development certainly for Bibhav. He's been a right-hand man of Arvind Kejriwal ever since the party was founded. The Supreme Court clearly saying that he can't be associated with the office of the Chief Minister of Delhi. He shall not enter the premises of the Chief Minister's office until if there are any important matters to be dealt with, then it needs to be going through a certain person, a mediator. He will not make any public comments on the trial of the case as well. Kanu Sharda joining us live for more on that. Kanu, please give us more on the conditions that Bibhav has finally been granted bail 4 months after he was taken into custody.
Yes, Nabila, the Supreme Court has taken note of the fact that there are 50 witnesses in this case and it will take certain time and reiterated the principle that bail is the rule and jail is the exception in this case. Also, they've said that the witnesses are going to take some time in examination and noted that since he is in custody for 100 days, it is a fit case for bail. Supreme Court has also said that until a court convicts a trial or convicts a person, under trial remains an under trial only and not a convict, because the prosecuting agency in this case is Delhi Police, which is opposing the bail granted to Bibhav. And Bibhav Kumar has been given 3 conditions: that he cannot be associated with the office of the CM of Delhi, he shall not enter the premises of the CM office till the vulnerable witnesses are examined, and he will not make any public comment on the trial of the issue. So it's first and the second condition that he cannot hold any post in the CM office, and he cannot enter the premises where the CM camp office is there, where this assault with Swati Maliwal has taken place. He cannot do that, and the Supreme Court has fixed a 3 months deadline for the vulnerable witnesses to be examined in this case. This deadline is for the trial court to examine. So until that time, Bibhav Kumar can't enter the CM office and can't be associated with the CM position for any case. As far as the party work is concerned, he can do so, but not related to this particular case. And the Supreme Court has also made it very, very clear that if he defies any of the conditions imposed by the top court, the prosecuting agency can approach the Supreme Court and urge for the cancellation of the bail. The conditions, if any, if the trial court thinks in this particular case, will be imposed by the trial court now. But majorly 3 conditions for Bibhav Kumar. Bibhav Kumar can't enter CM office and can't be associated or hold any post close to the CM office.
Right. Thanks very much, Kanu. But if you could take us through, for 4 months, the man has been in prison. He's now finally got bail. On what grounds? Has the Supreme Court observed the case and the fact that he's been in prison for 4 months now? Is there anything in that direction that the court had said in his favor?
The Supreme Court has clearly stated that he is in jail for past 100 days. The witnesses are still to be examined. There's whole range of witnesses which are going to be examined. It will take some time. And like we have seen in the past, that K. Kavita, Manish Sisodhia, all got bail only on this condition that, the list of witnesses in this case is pretty long. And it will take long for the trial court to complete the examination of the witnesses. Court has only relied on the fact that since the trial is going to take some time and you cannot force a person to stay in jail for that long, that is why Supreme Court has basically reiterated its position that bail is the rule and jail is the exception. So Supreme Court has only clearly made it very, very clear that it is not going to pass any order on the merits of the case, and is just following the basic principle that he has a right to be out on bail because the trial will take place at at a slower pace at this point of time, because there are several witnesses that needs to be examined. So Supreme Court has not gone into the merit of the case because Swati Maliwal was also represented through a lawyer today in the case, and she also wanted to be heard. But the Supreme Court said that this is not the right place, and whatever she want to argue can argue before the trial could concern. So it's a big relief for Vibhav Kumar coming out of jail for after 100 days as the Supreme Court today granted him bail.
Thanks very much, Kanu, for joining us on that.